Hi, it's Kwame Jacobs here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys what you can do in lockdown and also what it's like to have nature in my neighbourhood, like what I can see and hear all around me. Nature is all around us. Just listen, you can hear nature all around. Hear all the birds, that wind breeze, and also the sky. Brings all life around us, all that fresh air. See all those cumulus clouds right above us and that huge big blue sky. It's all around us. Everything. As you can see right here, it's not just these beautiful plants right here, but they're in their natural habitats where you can see them all around. What you can see here before you is beautiful plant life around us. In their natural habitats where you can see them, just like these right here. There's so much of nature. Behind me, you can see the natural wildlife right here. See how much it's grown? Healthily being strong by our planet's sun. Oh, the wildlife. Mother Nature has been doing her job.
If you look closely here, you can see that bee right there collecting nectar from that small little flower right there. It's doing its job.
This is natural wildlife at the very front of my house, as you can all see right here. I hope there's little critters that actually live in there, giving life to new things. Thank you all for watching my film. It was a challenge to make and at the same time really fun to do. I hope you all enjoyed it.